So let's talk about a Shiba Inu price prediction for March. There is some risk for SHIB in March. I need to make you aware of that is quite frankly going to create some opportunity. Okay. So we're going to talk about all that in this video. Thank you for your support. Hit that like button, please, below. Tell the algorithm we're here. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because all I care about is one thing, helping you navigate crypto and make more money. Speaking of that, there's a referral link down below to Bybit. Zero spot trading fees. If you use my referral link, it's free to set up an account. You also get entered into get additional up to $30,000 deposit rewards from Bybit directly deposited into your account. And you get a chance to win an iPhone if you use my referral link below. So definitely do that. Okay. So check them out. If you're in the States, you will need to use a VPN to set up the account. Okay. So let's talk about a Shiba Inu price prediction. Okay. SHIB price prediction. Here we go. Right now, as of the recording of this video, we got the overall market up about 0.5%. And we got SHIB at currently 4 zeros, 1123. Okay. So for about the last month, we've seen this kind of pattern. Now, there looks like there's a lot going on here, but if you really look at this, the top is 4014, and the bottom is really kind of where we're at now, 4011, right? Looks like I've got a little bit of more of a downside movement than we really do. We're really trading, we're consolidating, and that is the name of the game. SHIB is in its consolidation phase going on. Okay. So, price prediction for March. Here's the thing. We have two big events coming in March that are going to negatively impact SHIB short term, but in my opinion, create an opportunity. We have March 14th. We're going to get the CPI, the Consumer Price Index report, which is the big inflation report here in the States that we're going to get. Okay. That's going to give us one more glimpse into the inflation picture. And quite frankly, I think that report is going to be hot. It's not going to be good. It's going to show that inflation is not cooling as much as the government would want it to do. So that's going to create downward pressure on SHIB. That one event right there, we could see by March 14th, depending upon how hot this inflation report is, we could see SHIB move down into 1-0 range right here. You can already see today it actually moved into 1093, but you could see kind of 100 and things like that. And we could see SHIB give up a zero and then go from 4 zeros to 5 zeros and go to a kind of a 509, where the 9 would be right here, right? Just trying to illustrate the numbers, if you will. Okay. So that is a short-term kind of blip, technical word, blip down, move down because of that March 14th CPI hot report. I think that's going to be a major barometer of what is going to happen for the remainder of March. So again, that's a short-term price prediction. It's interesting, but there's opportunity there because here's the thing. The ecosystem is viable. Nothing's changed and nothing bad, cataclysmic has changed and happened in Shiba Inu. In fact, we're waiting on the biggest thing forever, which is Shibarium. It's forthcoming. We've talked about that in a bunch of other videos. So you've got an opportunity from a price prediction standpoint that if you do start to see it maybe drop below that to that 509-ish range, I'm buying personally. Am I telling you to buy? No, but I'm giving you, again, a price prediction scenario. Now, move out further, we have March 21 and March 22. That's the other big event. Okay. We have March 14th CPI report. I've just told you all about that. And now we have March 21 and 22, which is when the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting is going to convene. And it is March 22nd that we care about because that is when the FOMC is going to announce how much they're going to raise the base interest rate in this fight against inflation. And now to give you a bit more information, February, we had a very hot jobs report. We had a not great CPI report in February. And for February, you also had a not great PCE report. These are all three reports that we got in February that showed, again, that inflation was not cooling as we are expecting or wanting to. We're not cooling, inflation is not going away as fast as we want it to. And therein lies why the crypto market has been flatlined. That is why. Those three scenarios that played out in February, which is why I think this March 14 report not going to be great. We're going to continue to see flatline, even maybe now downside risk. We could see Bitcoin rolling to 19,000, pulling the rest of the crypto market down with us. And when we get to March 22, which is when they're going to announce the base interest rate hike, okay, So from a Shiba Inu price prediction, this is another event that could push SHIB down. Again, let's say on March 14th, we bounce down 5 zeros and a 9 buying opportunity. It quite possibly could move back up. We get a little bit of a short-term move positive, because what happens usually when we're leading up to an FOMC meeting is we have some positive days where you kind of get the the buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing, right? So we could see SHIB regain that zero it gave up on March 14th on the way to March 22nd. And on March 22nd, when we get what I'm expecting to be a 50 or a 75 basis points raise, crypto is going to go back down. We're going to see Bitcoin bottom to 19,000 and so forth. And that's going to, by the way, be the worst of it. We're going to see that bottoming out. That's at least what the expectation is. So I realize that that's not great news from the price of Shiba Inu going up in March, but really what you need to hear is opportunity, buying opportunity, because that's what I see. Thank you for your time. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button, drop a like. I'll see you.